I'm Daffodil Mulligan, Biddy's young girl. All the fellas all say I'm a peach and a pearl. It was at the daffodil time of the year. Now just call me Daffy, and maybe that's queer, for I'm sweet Daffodil Mulligan I am. All my ancestors come from the combe. I'm just such another, the spit of me mother, the lady that lives in one room down in Francis Street. Sweet Daffodil Mulligan, fresh fish, like the sweet Blarney roses that bloom. I'm bright, child, and hearty, the life of the party. I'm Daffy, the belle of the Ceol, fresh fish. It was up in the pine forest, both shady and dim, that I first met me Jenny, so tall and so slim. It was on an excursion, the girls looked so swell, but I took the biscuit and Jim's out as well. For I'm sweet Daffodil Mulligan I am, all me ancestors come from the combe. I'm just such another, the spit of me mother, the lady that lives in one room down in Francis Street. Sweet Daffodil Mulligan, fresh fish, like the sweet Blarney roses that bloom. I'm bright, child, and hearty, the life of the party. I'm Daffy, the belle of the Ceol, fresh fish. We were married in August when Jim was on strike, so he took me to play on the back of his bike. Now the strike is all over and Jim, bless his soul, has settled down steadily, drawing the dole. For I'm sweet Daffodil Mulligan I am, all me ancestors come from the combe. I'm just such another, the spit of me mother, the lady that lives in one room down in Francis Street. Sweet Daffodil Mulligan, fresh fish, like the sweet Blarney roses that bloom. I'm bright, child, and hearty, the life of the party. I'm Daffy, the belle of the Ceol, fresh fish, fresh fish.